The Tourism Regulatory Authority has rolled out a nationwide safety sensitization program in Nairobi, designed to turn hotel staff, guides and operators into a human shield against emerging threats. The initiative brings together key security agencies, including the Tourist Police Unit, Anti-Terrorism Police Unit, Directorate of Criminal Investigations, and the Bomb Disposal Unit.
Tourism and hospitality. In terms of bringing in new numbers, the people coming to enjoy our facilities have to feel safe so that they're able to book and they're able to come to this destination. Security systems are very, very important in any tourism facility. See this simply because when you sell happiness, you need to sell happiness in an environment that is perceived to be safe.
We've purposed to train our stakeholders on matters of security and safety, putting in consideration that it is a key factor in enhancing tourism within our country. We've come to realize from areas visited that most of our stakeholders are not well informed. And now that the Tourism Regulatory Authority intends to do a classification on the hotels, we saw it important to sensitize them on what is required of them. We started the exercise in Naivasha, where we had an overwhelming attendance from the stakeholders. And now we're in Machakos. We'll continue with the exercise all over Kenya so that we ensure safe and secure hotels for all our tourists, both local and international.